Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my hair. The look I'm going for is a 2-strand twist bob, and I am going to be adding some hair into it. I be feeling like I'm talking too fast, but really I just don't be wanting to hold y'all long. I like to get right into the video. This is the hair that I'm going to use mainly, which is Cuban twist double strand 16-inch. I'm not even going to use all that hair. Like I said, I'm going for a bob because my hair is long and I keep it in a ponytail, so I don't want no long twist. I'm also going to use this hair, which is spring twist hair. Hopefully it works good. I'm going to mix it with that hair in the front because you see I got this color, and we're going to see how it turned out. The products that I'm going to be using in the back, I'm only going to use this, which is raw aloe vera gel. And yeah, I've cut it up, processed it, and it's ready to use. So in the front, I'm going to use this gel I got from Amazon. It was $25.99, pretty expensive, but I looked at the reviews on it, and it's a braiding gel, but braids and twists kind of go together to me. It says neat braiding conditioning shining gel, defines protein rich mega whole, no wax, no grease, no alcohol, no flaking, for professional use only. And it says you will use a small amount. So this is more like a natural gel, so it's not many products in it. This is how that looks. It doesn't have a smell. Like I said, it's like a natural product. So I'm also gonna be drinking my tea in between. I'm gonna also use rubber bands. I got some oil. I'll use the oil at the end. I'm gonna use some clips, and I may use some of this. I don't know yet. I may use some Lotta Body wrapping mousse. Here, I'm gonna go ahead and do like the first 2 rows in the back just to get a hang of it for myself, and then I'll be back to show y'all how I do it. So I decided to just do them a little bit longer than my actual hair instead of doing a bob, because my hair is just long. I've never had hair this long before, y'all. So let me show y'all what we're working with. So I section off this section that I'm working on. This is how it's looking. When I do my locks, I don't care if the part's straight. I just need it done. Okay. When you do your hair, it's different from when you do other people's hair. Because first of all, I can't see the back of my head. So I'm going to do this one twist for y'all, and I'm going to show y'all how I'm separating this hair. Get one piece of this hair like this, right? And then I cut it in half like this, because I'm only mainly adding it to the ends of my locks. So then you have 2 pieces. This is going to be 4 twists because I'm going to pull this apart. I'm going to pull this apart. So that's 2. Pull it apart. And if you have like a really thin piece, you could just add some more hair. Put my hand in the aloe vera bag like this. Get some aloe vera gel on my hand and apply it to whichever section that I'm working on. Just like this. And I'm doing aloe vera in the back because I feel like my hair needs some TLC, just like that. And I'm not even gonna part really. I'm just gonna do it like this. So I'm gonna take this twist and twist it out. And then I'm gonna take this twist, twist it that way. So you see where I'm at? Down. Body moves on there. And then just keep twisting it. Take it, place this in the middle, and then twist the same way that the twist was going. Because you're just twisting it into And like what I just did was I took the hair and wrapped it around the lock like this. Just like put the lock in between here, and that kind of makes it easier to twist down. So like it just extended my lock a little bit. If you want it longer, then just add longer pieces. Now what I do is I take it and I rub it together, palm roll it like this, and right here where my lock ends, I kind of feel where it ends. So right here, I just take a rubber band, tight, well not tightly, but like I knot it twice, and then I'm gonna take the end, bend it like this, and wrap it around, okay? And then after that, I'm gonna get a rubber band, and then I'll have an extended twist. See? Okay, y'all, so this is how it looked after I used the spring twist hair. I did not like the spring twist hair. I'm gonna show y'all how I changed it, but first I'm gonna show y'all how I dip my hair in this hot water. When you dip your hair in the hot water, after you do like, I guess Marley twist is what you want to call them, Marley 2-strand twist, it just makes everything flow better. So I just went ahead and used my hair cup. This is my hair cup that I'm using. And I just dip my hair in water. And this next scene that's coming up is going to be a completely different day, and it's going to show me actually taking down this spring twist hair, because I realized I did not like the way it looked, and it looked better if I just used the black Marley hair and twist it in with my regular hair. So what I did was braid my hair and wet it first. I'm singing all through this video, y'all. Like I did before, I cut the hair in pieces, and I'm just gonna twist this hair in like this. I add the hair, twist a little bit, and then add another piece of hair to make it thicker and make it a little longer. And then I just go ahead and twist it to the end, and it didn't look as bad as I thought it would look. I wanted to do more color in the front, but y'all, that spring twist hair just was not giving what I needed it to give, okay? So after I twist it to the bottom, I guess you would call it twist it up or curl it up, and I knot it and put a rubber band on it. You will see me do that in just a minute. It's really easy to do. So basically, I wrap the ends of the hair going up. Once it's up, I add a rubber band just to secure everything in place. And then I palm roll it, and that's about it. Now, I'm showing y'all this video, which is my TikTok that I made for this video, so that I can slow down the part where I added the water wave crochet hair. That was a super easy part. I added a little bit all around my head, but I kind of wanted more curls like in front of my face. So that's why you will see in a few minutes that I added curls around my face, and you will see how I did that. What I did was I just took the pack of crochet hair, which was water wave, and I literally just crocheted the hair where I wanted it to fall. This hair was kind of hard to knot, but after knotting it a few times, I got it to stay. And y'all, I just love the way it turned out. I'm happy I decided to switch back to Marley hair versus that spring twist, because it was not giving, okay? But all in all, this was a cute style. And this is a whole nother day, y'all. Like, these are 3 different days, but this day I had it in for like, I think this is like the 3rd or 4th day, but it still looks nice. This is how I will be wearing it most of the time. But yeah, y'all, I love it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm so sorry if it's confusing. I try to make it not so confusing, but I just had a lot going on, okay? But follow me on TikTok at everythingtamia, and I thank you guys for supporting my channel and watching. Have a good day.